Assalamu alaikum everyone, how are you doing? Today I'm gonna show you how to do a party makeup using Krylon brushes that I've just bought. Please do support me by subscribing. So first step is doing cleansing. Now I've already cleansed my face, so I'm going to just wipe it off, and then I'm gonna use a serum by Kiara, which is a rice bran serum, which is good for my skin. So you can use any good serum for like vitamin C or something, and then just apply it all over under the eyes, chin, and everything. And the next moisturizer. The moisturizer that I'm using is Cetaphil. And then I take a flat brush for a concealer. Now I don't really need corrector or concealer, so I'm just gonna tap it off with the foundation all over my face wherever the concern is, because I don't actually have very much concern. As you can see, my skin is pretty much healthy. So next I'm just gonna tap it off all and then use a blending brush and then just blend all over it. Tap 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 and then just blending. Wow, look at the glow under the eyes, and just go on. Can you see the shine, the glow? You just have to have a good prep. This is why you need to have a good skin prep before you do a makeup, because you can see the glow without actually using any of the illuminators or the strop cream. I don't really need any because this moisturizer is enough to make my skin glow so much. And then I'm going to add blush using cream blush is using the lipstick Soku and Sugar. Again, I'm just dapping it off with a belly brush. You can see that shine on my face. It's so pretty. And by the way, I've also prepped my lips with lip balm, because you need to always prep your lips because it's very important. Don't ever ignore your lips when coming to makeup. And then I'm just gonna start with my eyeshadow. So I'm just dapping off some powder. Wow, I'm just tapping it off. I'm using the palette called Morphe Charles James. I can't really show you right now because it's my first time recording the video, so it's becoming a little hassle. But as you can see, I am going with the lightest shade and then proceeding it with a little darker tone. Yeah, just blending it all and then put a light shade pink glitter. Yeah, I'm blending it all as well. And then again, I will add the glitter towards the center of my lid. Next, I'm adding in a golden shimmer from Morphe again. So you can see how perfectly it has like merged so well. Like you can see the rose gold as well as the gold. It's so smooth, so shiny. Even the eyeshadow is all blended so well. Beautiful job. Next in is your eyeliner. I'm using Lakme. So I have bought all the things from almost Nika. So you just as this is there's a Pink Friday sale going on. So I'm gonna use a very thin line, very close to my lashes. So I also add a small wing to it. Everyone, please do subscribe to my channel so that I can continue posting videos, and please do support. Stay tuned. I'll be adding more videos. And Then use a blush from Fit Me, Maybelline Fit Me, and tapping it off. The small blush brush from Krylon. Will you look at that now? Oh, I look like a strawberry here. And my nose is shiny as natural, very natural shine on my with the help of spoolie brush again from the Krylon, and then I'm gonna do mascara. I'm gonna use Love lip liner. Just love this liner, you know that. It's so good. Wow, so beautiful. You can see the result of actually how hydrated my lips look, right? Now, this is because I have prepped my lips. Reminder for you all to prep your lips, prep your face completely. Don't leave a spot. Just look at the makeup. I haven't even applied highlighter, and this is the result. And then this is my whole look. Will you look at that? I changed my lipstick because I was eating and then I thought of taking the video later. But just look at the full look with all the party hijab, with my whole attire. It's so beautiful. The lips look so glossed up. I have applied the gloss from inside and it's so pretty. Wow. Please do like and follow for more. I just want to continue making such videos again. So if you guys support me, I would be able to make more, and I'll also help you learn how to do this makeup step by step as well. Thank you so much for seeing.